Greetings colleagues. How much does ETSE charge? If you are thinking about this question, most likely you are faced with a lot of commission charged on purchases in your store. Today, a few words to clarify them. You pay 20 cents for placing the product in listings on the ETSE platform, for every 4 months of placement, or until the moment of product sale. You pay 5% for each item you buy and shipping costs. Including product marketing activity, you agree to pay clicks on your product's advertisements via ETSE ads. ETSE decides where and when to show your ads and what the cost per click should be. Off-site ads fee allows you to display your products on external platforms, up to 15% of the order value. Fees may differ by country, depending on your jurisdiction, if you accept payments through ETSE payments, and the buyer's jurisdiction. To see the correct commission for your country, we recommend that you always select the country you want on the commission information page. We have an example. In our example, we see, auto-renew expired, redisplayed products that have not been purchased on ETSE for 4 months. Listing, adding products to the site. Renew expired, manual redisplay of products to the site. Auto-renew sold, automatic listing of sold products. Multi-quantity, products with more than one quantity in one position. Marketing activity. This is what the product marketing activity interface looks like. Sales tax, taxes that ETSE pays depending on the client's country of residence. Taxes are imposed by an additional commission on payment by the client. In the future, this payment is collected from the seller. Differs from the client's country and state of residence. Shipping transaction and transaction, 5% on the actual orders of the buyers. VAT on seller services is the tax that the seller pays for using the ETSE service in their country. You can enter your tax number and pay these taxes yourself. The tax is strictly linked to the country of jurisdiction of the seller. But that's not all. What else? If you connect a non-dollar card to pay commissions, you can charge your card at the bank rate in dollars, or have a double currency conversion, which is better to check with your bank representatives in advance. Pricing and fees for pattern. Information about which, you are now unlikely to be useful. ETSE payments and deposit fees. As agreed earlier, it depends on the country in which ETSE accepts payment for the order. Shipping label fees. You can buy shipping labels directly through ETSE. Applicable to a limited number of delivery types. This seems to be all. The referenced sample uses an example store from the German jurisdiction.